post it here. It's kind of like a favorites list. All right, so your client onboarding portal will look something like this. This is what you're going to build. So you have in web development something called the front end and the back end. Okay, so the new client onboarder, this was a solution that, again, I built for myself. Notice I have a note to myself, enter the client's information after the Suite Dash contract is signed. So you're going to learn how to use APIs. These are connectors. And if you have a CRM already, if you have like a constant contact already that keeps your email list, mine is an all-in-one in Suite Dash. I can connect both of these systems to work seamlessly. Once it connects back here, then this client onboarder is going to create all the folders that I need to set up my clients. Now, initially, before I built this out, I had to do everything manually. This changes everything. All right, so we're going to do this in real time so you can see how it looks. So let's see. All right. I'm going to use Miss Watson. Okay, so Miss Watson is my new client, and I'm going to type in her name. And her email. I'm just going to use my email. Going to click initialize project so that this doesn't move so fast and I don't know what's going on. You see it has my tooltips at the bottom. It says success, folders created, open the folder. So I can go in from the front end or the back end. So I'm going to go in here. So because I use Google Apps Script as my engine, this is my Google Drive. I have in my Google Drive, my design forms, and I have master clients for the automation. So that's what this is. So you see here, there's her folder, Tawana Watson. It was automatically created because of the automation that I set up. So Tawana Watson is my new customer. She has her own folder. I'm going to click to open her folder. And you see here, there were 4 more folders built. So I have the admin and contracts folder ready to go, the curriculum and outlines folder ready to go, the media assets, and the mental spark. So what she has to do is she has to come in here and upload some information. So I have it so I can start building out her learning portal or whatever it is that she hired me for. So then there are going to be additional documents dropped in these files. I can do that automatically or I can do it manually. But this step would normally take me a couple hours to do. I don't have to do that anymore. All right, so then the next step for this one is the email that's sent out. Because again, we want to make sure that we're doing everything as efficiently as possible. Okay, so it says, S. Allen, welcome to Allen Learning Me. And her name is here. Welcome to Allen Learning Me, Tawana Watson. So she's going to click this email. And when she clicks the email, you see I have everything set up here. Hello, Tawana Watson. I have received your contract and invoice. We are officially ready to begin your course development. I've set up your private project folder that we'll use to share assets. And I have the link here, which you'll click that. And it says, go ahead and upload your company logo, your colors, your fonts, and any other documents I may need. Also, please complete the Mental Spark self-assessment to gain clarity on what your course will be about. Once that's done, we'll schedule our kickoff. So then she'll click on the Mental Spark. So again, I had to create everything on the front end. I created everything. It takes hours to do this. Hours upon hours upon hours. So if I know that I'm using the same thing for each client, instead of me custom building out their piece, when I get the client, no. You build everything, you create a library for yourself. with all of your templates in the library, so that when you get a new client, all you have to do is click copy paste and then push that out, right? So this is maybe 2 weeks worth of work on the front end to make sure you have everything. But anyway, so this is the mental spark. So this is a self-assessment that I ask my clients to fill out. Once they fill out this information, then we have a conversation about what it is that they need, what type of course they need, what type of learning portal they need, or whatever they need from me.